morning students. Welcome back for the next program tutorial. Today we are going to see the form. Now what is the meaning of form? So here forms are used to collect the information from the user. There are different controls of the form. You must have seen while filling the part 1 and part 2, you have inserted some information within the different boxes. For example, your 10th standard exam seat number, 10th standard your school name, Aadhaar card number, mobile numbers, then after that the list of the colleges which you want to opt. So different information you must have filled within the text boxes, or you have checked the buttons also. Now, when you insert certain information in the form, so it is inserted within the controls. Different controls are there like text boxes, check boxes, radio buttons, only buttons, then to upload your photographs, your documents. So these are the different controls which we use within the form. Now we are going to see step by step different controls. So let's watch the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Prajakta Kulkarni SV Union School Pune. So you please subscribe for this channel. Begin with the form. We will start with the notepad. Now form, to insert a different form, you have to use the form method is equal to post tag, which is followed by the body tag. So when you want to insert certain controls, always you have to start with the form method is equal to post followed by the control names. Now a simple form we are going to insert today with the roll number of the student, name of the student, gender of the student, address of the student, and the pin code of the student. So start with the form. First start with, it is within the notepad file only. The text editor you will use as a notepad for writing this program. Then title, give as the form /title/head. After that give body tag. Then to start with the form, use form method is equal to post. This tag is compulsory when you want to insert the form controls. Now as I said, you can give the title of the program, that is students information /H1 and BR. Now see, the first I want to insert the roll number of the student. So I will just write the roll number. Now as you know, to insert the different controls of the form, we use the input tag. So input has the different attributes like type, size, max length, checked, name, and value. So when you want to insert certain controls, you have to use the tag with its attribute. So to insert the roll number, always you have to use the text control. So here I am writing input type is equal to text. Name I will write as a roll number, and size of the text box will be 5 because roll numbers are less. The digits are up to 2 or 3 digits. So here you will use the type as text and size as 5. Next, I want to insert the student's name. So I will insert student name. Again, to insert the student name, I will write input type is equal to text, name is equal to short form of student name, size is equal to 40 I am giving, and here there is an attribute which is called as placeholder, which tells students what to enter over there. The user, whoever is inserting the information, it will tell the user what he wants to enter. So here just I will write the message, enter your full name. So user can able to see this message and he can enter his name accordingly. After that I will insert address of the student. So here again input type is equal to text, name is equal to address, size is equal to 50. Okay, then after that gender we will insert, whether the student is male or female. Now you know, either we can select the male or female, both we can't select at a time. That means we have to use a toggle button which is called as a radio button. So here input type is equal to radio, because radio buttons are used to select one at a time. Name is equal to R1 and I will write the value as checked because it is selected. By default it is selected. First option I will write male and NBSP semicolon. Again input type is equal to radio. Name must be same because as a radio button only one you can select at a time. So always remember students, when you write the radio buttons, the options, your name must be same for all the radio buttons. This we will not select by default, and option we will write as female. Okay, so roll number, student's name, address, gender. Then after that we will write contact number, that is the phone number of the student. Again for this input type is equal to text, name is equal to C number and size is equal to 20. After that you can put the email ID of the student. So here email ID field, then input type is equal to text, name is equal to email and size is equal to 20. Okay, after this close it with /form /body and last /HTML. So this is a simple form which contains the student's information: roll number, student's name, address, gender, contact number and email ID. Now save this with the name form.html. All files save. See the output, minimize this, right click, open with Internet Explorer. So as you see here, the name of the form is student information, then a roll number 1 I can enter, here full name, so full name I will enter, address, so user will enter the information here, gender male only, contact number and email ID. So like this information you can fill within the form. So this is a simple form with the text and the radio control. More controls we are going to see one by one.